Good morning, students. This is part 2 of the same chapter, The Friendly Mongoose, and I hope my students are finding this chapter very interesting. So let us just do the quick revision of what we had studied in the previous video, and then we'll switch to the latter part of the story. Coming to the recapitulation, that means the revision of the prior part of the story that we had studied up till now. So let us do the revision part. So students, we studied up till a farmer and his wife used to live in a village with their small son who used to sleep in the crib. He was very small. So one day the farmer thought that when our son grows up, he will need a companion. That means he will need a friend. That is why he brought a small baby mongoose. So they used to love the mongoose as well as their son. One day the farmer and his wife had to go outside, where the farmer's wife had to go to the grocery shop to bring something important, the necessities for the house, while the farmer had gone outside to see his fields. And then when they returned, actually farmer took a lot of time to return home. Before the farmer, his wife returned home. And then what did she see? We will be reading ahead. This is the part 2 of the story, students, where we'll be knowing that what actually happened when the farmer's wife entered the home. What did she see? So the farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Groceries means the food items sold in a grocery or the supermarkets. She saw the mongoose outside, sitting as if waiting for her. On seeing her, the mongoose ran to welcome her, as it was customary. That means a belief that is set up since a very long time. Like students, when our elders come to our homes, we touch the feet of our elders in order to welcome them. In the same way, the mongoose stood there in front of the door to welcome the farmer's wife. So the farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. That means she shouted, "Blood!" she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were covered with blood. That means it was smeared with blood. The word is smeared here, which actually means covered with. So here, students, we got to know that after the farmer's wife came home, she saw that the mongoose was welcoming her, and so when she saw the mongoose face and paws, she screamed aloud because it was covered with the blood. After she saw that the mongoose face and paws were covered with blood, she screamed loudly, "You wicked animal, you have killed my baby." She screamed hysterically, means she shouted loudly with an uncontrolled emotions. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to see the child's cradle. So here it means that she was totally in anger. She was unable to control her emotions, and rage here means, students, extreme anger. So like students, it happens now whenever we listen to any bad news or whenever we see any shocking thing, our strength goes down. That's what happened with her. The basket that was filled with groceries actually fell down on the mongoose, which was covered with blood. And she ran into the room to see her child, that what had happened to him. Let's see, students, what happened after she entered the room to see her baby. She saw that the baby was fast asleep. That means the baby was sleeping. Nothing had happened to him. But on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. So on the floor she saw that the snake was cut into pieces and it was bleeding. She could not believe. In a flash, she realized, that means in a moment, she realized that what had she done. She ran out looking for Mongoose, and then she went out of the home and she saw that Mongoose was actually laying dead. The mongoose was no more. It actually died. This is the picture display of the story, students. I have given you the picture display so that you can picturize the story and it becomes more easy for you to understand the story. So here you can see that outside the house, the basket that was filled with groceries had fallen on the mongoose, which had actually led to the mongoose death. And here inside the house we can see that the small baby is sleeping in his cradle, that is crib, a small baby's bed. And we can also see that the snake is torn into pieces and it is bleeding, while the mother is crying for what has she done. After the farmer's wife saw the snake that was torn into pieces lying on the floor, she said, "Oh, you saved my child." She is saying these things to Mongoose. "You killed the snake, and what have I done?" she cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing. That means the mongoose which she is touching and which she is wanting to live more is dead, remains no more. And she is crying for the mongoose that how can she be so hurry in her act. The farmer's wife, who acted hastily, that means without thinking anything of the situation, she just acted upon, which led to the death of the mongoose, and rashly, in hurry, started to stare long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. So students, we got the conclusion that, you remember that the mongoose that was smeared, means covered with the blood, was actually standing in front of the house to welcome the farmer's wife, to show that what has he done. He had actually saved the life of the baby, but instead what had happened? He faced death. He remained no more. And so students, we got the moral of the story here. The moral that we get from the story of the friendly mongoose is that we should always look before we leap. That means we should always think twice or thrice before we act or do something. The smart thinking is really very important because it helps us to think and do, which actually avoids many problems and reduce the possibility of getting into such problems. Like students, you remember in the story, the farmer's wife did. What did she do? She acted hastily. Without thinking anything, she just acted upon, which led to the death of the mongoose. We should always think before we do anything. That is very important. Coming to glossary of the story. So students, we had actually dealt with all the tough words that we got in the story then and there. Let us just go through it. Groceries, items of food sold in a grocery or supermarket. Customary, a belief that has been set up for a long time, like the mongoose was acting customary while welcoming the farmer's wife. Screamed, a loud cry. Smeared is covered with, like the mongoose was smeared with blood. Hysterically, with loud uncontrolled emotion. Rage is extreme anger, which the farmer's wife was. Torn, cut apart, or to pull apart in pieces, which the snake was torn. Sobbing is noisy cry. Hastily, with speed or urgently, that was the act of the farmer's wife. She acted hastily and rashly. Rashly is without caring about the result. So students, I hope you all are doing the question answers in your fair copy. Again, you will be getting the questions and you will be doing the same in the fair copy. You will be writing the answers there.